just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance.
Once again, for everyone's safety, please wait for the fasten seatbelt signs to be switched off before you stand to get your bag. The last time we were here, si Kuya ang sakay dito. Si Kuya pa. No, Kuya is there. Sa right ba? Bibili tayo ng ticket for the 147. Yung limited express, this one. 137. So, ito yung sasakyan natin. We're gonna take the limited express ba yan? Yan yun. Pero, anong car number? Hindi lang. Yes, we're riding a train. Hawak ka, anak. Hawak. Early check-in is okay. Let's Google Translate everything else. And there's a Mr. Donut. This is a lobby. And there's a luggage scale. Should we need one? Do this. Dito lang kami kumain dun sa pinakamalapit sa hotel namin. Kasi gutom na kami. And tignan natin kung masarap sila. Ayan yung rice. So they have ramen. May nakalagay lang po, Taiwanese ramen. Tapos meron ng dandan noodles, oh. And then there's fried rice and dumplings. Karage. What is white baked rice? Is mga toppings din. Pwede kang mag-separate. And of course, there's beer. May edamame pala. Fried rice with grilled meat. Fried chicken, 5 pieces for 650 yen. Dumpling is 330 yen. Ito yung English menu nila. Iba nilang menu. Japanese lang.
That's spicy. I need that's your order.
Thank you. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry, do you have a spoon? Yeah. Thank you.
Mama, I have a spoon, please. Please.
She will get a spoon for you. You wait. You say thank you when she gives it to you. Say arigato. Okay? Thank you. Ito talaga nakakatuwa sa kanila. Nagbibigay sila ng utensils ng bata to encourage them kumain on their own. Subo na ulit. Subo na.
Mama, what's the bear?
The bear. You have rice inside the bear. Eat it.
I eat it to my
Okay. You don't need to hold it.
Get you for me. Chocolate.
Are we gonna get that? Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Ang favorite ko sa Family Mart, I think this is it. Ayan o. May English translation sa ngayon. It's ketchup pasta. Ang sarap niyan, grabe. 399 430 yan. Yan ang favorite namin. But there's so much more. Sandwiches nila. Yung onigiri. Lahat ng klase ng onigiri. Thanks.
I do. Why don't you forget me?
I won't forget you. There's ice cream too, kuya. And more drinks. Baka ganyan ang standard ng Nagoya. Magkape tayo with a view. Okay. Let's add some gum syrup. Mm. Mm. This is the banyo. Ulit lang siya, pero actually yung banyo nito mas malaki kaysa dun sa Osaka natin noon. Mas spacious yung banyo niya compared to yung usual na Japanese na toilets. Na toilet and bath. Malog-log siya, oh. Okay. Sige, tour na tayo agad-agad kahit na magulo. Pagpasok mo, dito yung sabitan ng damit, and then lagyan ng shoes. Masa-spread mo ba yan? And then, yan. And then, yan na agad. Okay. And, ang kinuha namin to kasi kailangan namin 2 beds. It's small. Very small. Pero, does its job. Tsaka maganda yung location niya. Hello, 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 Japan! Look at that nice building. Yum? Yung naming hall yan. Ito. Actually, lote, no? Yan. Tapos, iced latte, iced americano, and then this. Hindi pa nakakain. And then you try that. Chillin'? Like a villain?
M-U-H-A-H-A